Wait, didn't you both have scissors? Okay. Let's go to the boat.
Go down. Go.
Wow. Hi, lady.
Oh, it says hi, lady.
Sure.
Why is it hi, lady?
I know.
Hi, lady.
You want down?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's the boat driver. You see him there. Are you ready to go see Santa? Hey, look at me. Look at me. Are you ready to go see Santa?
No, you don't know how to drive a boat. You don't know how to drive a boat. Let's set up right here.
I'm just standing right here because it looks cool.
We could do it right here. Right around here. There you go.
Are you ready to go
Are
see
you excited?
Santa?
Are you cold? Why don't you put your... What? What's wrong?
Elijah? Elijah, are you ready to go see Santa?
Yeah. Long time inside.
Hey, what are you going to tell Santa you want for Christmas?
Why? You cold?
You know.
Okay, but listen, tonight Santa's going to read off a naughty and nice list, and we have to see if your name is on the nice list. Okay? So we have to listen. Is your nose stuffy?
No. Wow.
Yeah?
I want to get inside the boat.
Uh-oh.
I know.
Girl.
It makes sense.
Oh, look, he's in there.
I know. He's driving the boat. Hi, boat driver. Okay. What kind of license do you have to drive a big old boat like this?
You have to have a boat license. Like you have to...
Hey, other boat.
Hi, other boat. I want it. Boat. No, it's hi.
Oh, it is. You're gonna have a hard time focusing tonight. We're on a boat cruise to go see Santa. There's the Grinch.
Is that a real Grinch?
Say hi, Mr. Grinch.
Hi, Mr. Grinch. I think a real Grinch. Is that a real Grinch?
No, that's the Grinch.
Look, Ollie. It's the Grinch.
Beanie, look, it's the Grinch.
Look at this guy right here. Are you a real Grinch? Hi, you!
I'm recording. Watch the record all my...
I can't put that on my finger.
Great! Hello, Grinch! Grinch! Hello, Grinch! Hello, What's wrong with you, Grinch? You got wrong hair.
Don't lose your Christmas list.
Let's go back. Take that quick.
There's no way that Grinch can spoil our trip to the North Pole.
I can see that.
Look at all the Christmas lights.
You want your hood on? It'll make your head warm.
Did you see the Grinch?
Yeah.
Did you see him?
Look at mommy and say yes.
Did you see the Grinch?
Yeah.
I don't want to.
Was it silly?
Okay. Wow, that's startled mommy.
Okay, that's a real dragon. Why is it not doing it again? Come on, dragon, do it again.
Watch. You see how cool that was?
Elijah, is that cool?
Never.
You wanted to breathe fire again?
Yeah. Fire again.
I do not want to come out here and check it out. Okay.
Oh, we did it.
We're yelling. We're yelling.
Ooh, we're going fast.
You're warm?
Oh look, there's the Grinch.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's not the Grinch, is it? I just saw green. No, don't stand up.
You could fall. You want to fall? You want to fall in the water? You want to fall in the water?
See all the stars.
You're
Is the boat moving?
You're being a good boy.
Is
Elijah.
it moving all crazy?
It's very cold.
The stars are leading us to Santa.
Whoa!
Ollie, here. Here you go. Here. Put it. There you go.
I'm just scared.
Daddy Chucky. Let me see. Let me see you. Come here. Look at me. Look at me.
That's just waves. He's just hitting waves. We're not going underwater, okay? It's just
Come here. Daddy.
boat
Stand
moving
with
the
Daddy.
water, okay? You're okay, I promise. Okay?
Just like
Are you cold?
I will protect you.
Too cold.
I promise you're not going under the water, okay?
Okay.
It's far too cold to go under the water.
See?
We're on a boat,
Wanna
not a
see?
submarine, okay?
The water. You see an eye poking out of here.
Somebody didn't come too prepared. See, that's Mama's fault, huh?
Hey, leave that baby alone. Leave that baby alone. Leave that baby alone.
So to be honest, it's cold and there is an inside of the boat, but we want to see Santa Claus,
Yeah.
and we forgot to get Oliver a bigger jacket, so he's wearing
He's wrapped up.
work crud parents. But you know what? He'll survive.
Want the hood? Want the hood on?
I'll give him my jacket before I let him freeze. Huh? Are you warm? But we're gonna go see Santa. Want a boat?
Put this on you.
I say that enough, it's cold. See another boat hole? Okay, so what I was basically saying in this clip, because I now realize I didn't elaborate or didn't, you guys are probably like, what? Basically, there's two stories to this boat. There's an inside where, like, there's, like, eating, kind of like a restaurant, but it's not a restaurant. And then there's the upstairs, which is where we were, which is basically like, I mean, I'm sure you guys know what a boat is. But basically, we could have went inside to the little restaurant type thing. It's not really a restaurant, it's like a bar where they have, like, little small snacks and stuff, and then tables. But downstairs, there's this little teeny tiny, like, the size of my bathroom balcony where you can, like, see Santa when we went to see Santa. But then you've got 40, 50 people on this boat, and you're going to be in this small balcony. So we chose to stay upstairs and get a good view of Santa Claus so the boys can hear Santa Claus. And even you'll see, or you'll hear or whatnot, there is, when we were listening to Santa Claus say the names, there was people behind me who I assume were intoxicated because they were kind of slurring and stumbling a little bit. But even they were on top of us while we were trying to hear Santa Claus. And yeah, I kind of tried to cut over them a little bit and, like, drown it out a little bit with music. But you can basically, at the end of it, probably can't hear, but one of the men was like, you know, get off them, let the family enjoy. So it was already hard enough to hear Santa Claus when we were up there, because there is other people. And I'm not saying there shouldn't be other people, but I'm just like, this is why we chose to sit on top, basically. What are you trying to tell me? What are you trying to tell me?
I saw that ship came from water.
Yeah?
That ship was underwater and then floated up.
Did you see that?
Yeah. I saw it with my own eyes.
With your own eyes? That's so awesome. We're going to see Santa, okay? So we got to keep a good lookout for him, because we got to find out if you're on the naughty list or the nice list. What do you think you're on? You think you're on the naughty list or the nice list?
Nice.
I'm really hoping so. I'm really hoping so, because you're a rock star kid. Okay, you're going to break my back.
Wait. I see something. I see something from far away.
I know, we're coming up on it. Don't you worry, sweetheart. We're going to find him. Okay?
I'm gonna record him.
You're going to record Santa saying hi to you?
I'm gonna record him.
Hey, I heard that he knows everybody's name. So let's see if he knows that you're here. Okay?
Okay.
He's gonna... What he's gonna do. I'm just so excited to see Santa Claus.
Me too. So is Santa a part of our family?
Is Santa a part of our family?
I think.
Santa's a part of everybody's family.
So everybody gets to kiss him?
Oh, you want to see Mr. Claus? Who's that? Who's that?
I see a slide.
I hear you came all the way from Idaho.
Hi, Santa.
Well, no, I was visiting Hard Lane this summer, and I saw all those slick cars they had. And I realized I had to suit up my own study about 200 years old. So, I put a stop by magic box and got to work.
It's the race car.
Hey, Santa. Oh. It's okay. Santa.
Look at Oh, one more.
fully incognito. As you can see, we're pretty highly kept up here in the North Pole. Special thanks to my assistant, Cookie Sparkle Pants, for helping with the demonstration. Oh, easy there, Cookie. Not so smug now. You're starting to look like a
Is
sea
that
hawk.
human elf or just the elf?
Say, I bet you all like to listen to the Christmas music by singing a little song. What do you say? Yeah, to all those jingle bells. Elijah, Oliver, Alexis Rose,
What guy's his name?
and Cruz too.
I'm on the good list.
You're on the good list.
Nora and Blake.
Did you hear yourself on the good list?
Remember to be nice next to your kids too. Oh, now we've got some work. We need to make sure that the sleigh is checked out enough for this year's workload. Thanks for visiting. Oh, but first, what do you say we try something a little Christmassy, huh? Let's count down together and fly.
Ready?
4,
3, 2, 1. See Santa, Oliver? You see Santa? Did you see Santa? Yes, you made the nice list. Excitement.
Who's on the bad list?
I don't think anybody was on the naughty list. There's such good kids on this boat.
Oh, Jesse.
Are those on fireworks?
They are fireworks. Every night.
You guys gotta hear him too, right?
Every
Are those on space?
It's okay, sweetheart.
It's okay. Look, colors.
It's okay.
Is there more?
Welcome to
Oh my
Santa's
gosh,
North Pole Toy Workshop.
You all just lit up?
Yeah.
It's our toy making machine. Loading all the toys for the good boys and girls.
Terrible pictures of fireworks.
You know what? I took a ride in the big sleigh last night. Wow. It's one of the largest displays of its kind in the world. 50 feet tall,
Oh, you can't
with over
say.
6,000 lights.
No, but we can go downstairs. Come on.
This
Come on,
is
Betty.
why I have to get off the boat. Can you put in a good word for me to Santa? I have to go elsewhere.
Hold the rail. Hold the rail right here, sweetheart. Elisha,
To leave.
hold the rail, baby.
Thanks, everybody, for coming to the North Pole today. We'll be coming back with more plans.
smells like liquor.
Oh, Santa.
Yep.
Did you make the nice list?
Sure.
No.
Actually, from here, I see it flying. That's where you shoot it.
Really? That's really cool.
He
saw Santa at Cabela. So you had to tell him what
You
he
got to see
wanted.
him twice?
Mhm.
Oh my goodness, he must have recognized you.
All before Thanksgiving.
3 times? Oh my goodness. Do you think you're going to see him again before Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Like for 100 days.
100 days. I don't think it's 100 days till Thanksgiving or until Christmas.
No, not that many.
Yeah, Christmas is coming up pretty soon. Are you excited?
Yep.
Do you like the snow when it starts to snow outside?
Yes, and then I can put a snowball and go at snowman.
That sounds fun. Snow is my favorite to play in.
Well, what if made a snow burger?
A snow burger. Was it cold? Sounds cold on your feet.
Well, what if made snow meatballs? I love meatballs.
You like them? That's pretty fun.
Are you making a snow beach ball? You said?
No, a meatball.
Oh, a meatball. I
Oh, a
thought he
big
said a
snow
beach
meatball.
ball. I was
Do you
like,
make snow spaghetti too?
I know how to make that.
I don't know either. I guess we'll have to figure it out this year, huh?
Well, we made a good snowman because my parents made a penguin house.
we did. We made like an igloo last year.
Oh, that is so fun.
Not a very good one.
That's okay. Takes practice.
Yeah.
Was that your first time at the North Pole?
Yes, I wanted
Last
to
year.
from over
2
there.
years? That's really awesome. What's your name?
Elijah.
Elijah? My name is Tink.
My name
Hyla. I'm glad that you came today, and I'm sure Santa was very glad too. Thanks talking, man.
Say have a nice night.
is
It's nighttime, dude. So we're going. I know. I just told you that there was balls above your head. Are you warm?
I'll eat warm.
Are you thirsty? Season to be jolly. La 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 la. I don't want to bother the other passengers of the boat with my horrid voice. You're not even singing, you're lip syncing.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
You are very off key, my child. Very. Hey, look. You see all the lights coming on? You see them all?
White Joe
Did you
Man.
have fun?
Buy a pizza at Tito's Italian Grill. And don't
Did you see that? No, not outside.
Yeah, it is.
Is that so funny? Oliver, what did he do? Did he shake his butt?